The obstacle course is a 3-part game where kids create, navigate, and draw a map of their own obstacle course. In part 1, we'll set up the course and practice spatial words. In part 2, we actually go through the course, and then in part 3, we draw a map of the course. These obstacle course games are a great way to practice spatial skills and to reinforce spatial language. And this is really important because early spatial skills predict children's later success in science, technology, engineering, and math. To get started, you'll first need to choose whether you want to create a big version of the obstacle course or a mini version. In the big version, you'll need a few medium to large sized items like boxes, chairs, tables, or pillows. And in the mini version, you can use smaller items like books, cups, toys, or anything else that fits on a table. In both versions of the game, you'll need a special mystery item that you're going to hide at the end of the obstacle course. Finally, you'll need some spatial word cards, which you can make yourself or print from our website. In our mini obstacle course, we first arrange the items in a path. In this case, we're going left to right. So I'm going to put out a wooden arch, a stack of cups, a caterpillar toy, and a shoe. Then you'll hide your mystery item at the end of the course. So in this case, I'm going to hide my little frog inside the shoe. We'll use this little dog, this little puppy character, to navigate our mini course. But if this were a big course, the children would navigate the course themselves. You can start the game by saying, I made an obstacle course. I hid a mystery item at the end of the obstacle course. You're going to choose spatial word cards to help you go through the course and find the mystery item. But first, we need to practice our spatial words. Then, take each spatial word card, hold it up, and have the child model what each word means. So, pretending this puppy toy is the child, when we hold up over, the child would show us what it means to go over something. Then under, around, and inside. Sometimes inside can be tricky, so in this case, I'll just have my figurine jump in the middle, modeling inside as best as it can. After you go through all the cards, it's time to navigate the course in part 2.